In this short TA segment, we would be talking about bearish patterns breaking bullish. So those are the three bearish patterns which you are most likely watching in different cryptos right now. So you get bearish pennant, you get bearish wedge, and you actually get a continuation pattern. This is like a channel, but your impulse here is to the downside. So most likely, as you actually break this one, usually you break to the downside. But if you get a fake out here, chances are high you're going to test this roof, and as you test this roof, what's going to happen? You may break to the upside. So it's not just the breakout what you have to focus, it's how the price is playing inside that particular pattern. Let's actually zoom in and look what's happening there. Now if you focus here, this actually dropped below this support level. Fine, but what happens? You actually bounce, come back to the roof. So when you come to the roof, if you're spending some time there, now your nano time frame, it's actually showing you may break to the upside. That's turning bullish. You range here and then you break to the upside, then you happen to come lower to retest this level and bounce. So that's a bearish trend changing into a bullish trend. So the reversal is happening there. So if you are a bull, you want to trade this particular pattern. Then this again is another bearish one. You're going to the downside. You are putting in lower highs and lower low each time. But here something changes. Instead of making lower low, you are making higher lows. But you're not actually putting in higher highs. You're not getting the trend to the upside. So now you're trying to see what's happening. Then you connect your trend lines, connect your resistance and support, and you get this pennant. So usually what happens, this breaks to the downside, retest this range, and then go back lower. So instead of that, if you are getting a break to the upside, then a retest and a bounce to the upside, now you have a rounded bottom. The trend is changing. You came this way, you consolidated, you are going to the upside. Similar stuff happening here. Your trend is to the downside. It's a bearish wedge. This one was a bearish pennant. It's almost similar, but if you focus this, you actually understand. Now, same stuff happening, just the difference is here you're not putting in higher highs, whereas here you almost come to make same high here or even make a higher high. Now we have this happening in a lot of cryptos right now, you know that, right? But you come back lower, you trend like this, but you're not actually going low to make lower lows. You are then coming up, breaking to the upside, then some of them will go up and retest at this range and bounce. But not all of them actually does that. Some of them will just come back and retest your original range, which is here, and then bounce. So if you are a safe trader, you are looking to buy this retest and bounce. Same here, retest and bounce. Same here, retest and bounce. If you are having that risk and like, oh, I don't have too much time to focus on this, then you're just buying the breakout. But that can also be a fake out. That's why if you're a safe trader, you are looking to enter into these retest and bounce. That's how you get highly accurate trades. If you liked this short TA segment, and if you want to learn from another short TA segment, go to this video, or else if you want to listen to the fundamentals, current affairs and technical analysis, go to this one. Okay guys, bye-bye.